our Director Academics, Dr. Almelu, and Principal, Vice Principal of our college here, and a proud alumni we have here with us today, and their students and our faculty members. Very happy to be here amidst all this morning here. And it's my pleasure to inaugurate this new facility we have created here, the lecture capturing studio. And this is basically meant for offering courses online and for different stakeholders, students, faculty, and also professionals from all other places, and also from industries. And this will help us for capacity building and quality improvement of the teaching faculty by recording their lectures like this and improving their teaching and learning process with a proper feedback. And I'm very happy to have here with us today our distinguished alumni, one Mr. Mandambatti Rangaraj here, who is a celebrity chef, entrepreneur and actor. And we have with us Mr. Abbas, the president of the Chennai chapter of our Alumni Association here, and who's also a very passionate mountaineer, and Mrs. Nausheen Banuchand, and she's a proud conqueror of the Tenzing Hillary Everest Marathon, a very unique thing for a lady. Okay. And I'm sure the talk by these alumni is going to be a great motivation for all our students here. And I have, again, once more, a great this thing to declare open this facility here, and I'm sure this facility is going to be used not alone by SREC, but by all other of our education institutions also, and other industries all over. And this opportunity, I would like to congratulate Dr. Grace Selvarani, a professor and head of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, and Dr. Mary Matilda, professor and head management studies, for all their efforts in getting this studio ready for operation. Thank you, and may God bless you all. Thank you.